Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Devanshi Agrawal with a new video of math conversion of units, length, mass and capacity. Guys, as we all know that there are usually 3 units or 4 units in our grades like kilometer, meter, centimeter and most of the times millimeter in more grade. But in our upbringing grades, there are many new units such as kilo, hecto, deca, deci. Right? So people are or children are confused in this. So that's why I am with the video of conversion of units in which you will understand that which is smaller unit, which is greater unit and how to convert them into each other. Now guys, one doubt arises that why deci is written here, because as we all know that there is always here that the meter, centimeter and then the millimeter. But guys, it's not like this. We say it like this, but it's not like this. It is like this. It is deci here and here is meter. It's meter, then decimeter, then centimeter and then millimeter. Okay. Here is not only meter. This GLM stands for gram, liter and meter. Now, one more doubt arises that why are these 10 written here? So guys, this is written for the understanding of conversion between units. How? Like, I want to convert 1 kilometer to meter or 1 kilogram to gram or 1 kiloliter to liter. It's easy because we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, because this is written in our minds. That's why we are very pretty sure that it's the same thing. So guys, there's the same thing here. But if I said that 1 kilometer is equal to how much centimeter, so it is a little bit confusing. So you have to do, there are two tricks. One method is that you can write the 1 here, means you want to convert from kilometer, right? So write the 10 near the kilometer and make the 10 as 1. And now here is again 10 in the hectometer. So make the 10 as 0 and write here as 0. Then decameter, again 0. Basic unit also again 0. Don't forget this basic unit, because gram, liter and meter also exist in the units. Now one more deci 1 and 0 and then the centi. So it's again a 0. So 1 kilometer, liter or gram is equal to 1 lakh centimeter, liter or gram. Same you can do from downwards to upwards. Like write this as 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0 and the answer will come from here. It's not like that you started from here, so you will write it here. No, it will be started the 1 from here only and the zeros will be like this. Okay. Now, one more trick about which I was saying was of multiplication. How multiplication in this? So multiplication is in this way, that here you can write 1 kilometer to millimeter you have to convert. So we can do that. We can cross out the kilometer and write and do 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 10, lakh. Right? And 1 lakh into, 10 to 10, 100, then 1000 and then 10,000. And then on 10,000 multiplied by 10, it will be what? It will be 10 lakh. No. Sorry. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So answer will be again same. Now, this is the same chart, but here the main point to understand is this. We need to convert a smaller unit into a larger unit. We used to multiply, and to convert a smaller unit into a larger unit, we used to divide. Okay? As written here. To convert to a smaller unit from a bigger unit, multiply the number, and for converting a larger unit into a smaller, for converting a smaller unit into a larger unit, divide it. Now why? Because in conversion, whenever the unit is bigger, the answer will come in small. And whenever the unit is smaller, the answer will come in big. Like as you all can see, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. But guys, 1000 number is bigger than 1, right? As we all know, when we compare between 1 and 1000 in the normal, what will be answer? That 1000 is greater than 1. And sign would be something like this. Just a minute, it's not making. So sign will be greater of 1001, right? So same. That's why I would say you that if the number is bigger, so the unit is smaller. Like 1000, number bigger, unit smaller, meter. And number smaller, unit bigger, like kilometer. Right? Now, let's take some example for understanding this. Guys, as we all know that 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. 1 is equal to 1000, no. Never write it like this, that 1 into 1000, 1 is equal to 1000, because it's wrong. Because 1 is not equal to 1000. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Don't forget to write the unit, otherwise your answer can change. And the meaning of your answer and question both can change. Okay, now our question is 5 kg to gram. So for converting a bigger unit into a smaller, we used to multiply. So we will write this steps as 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 5 kg is equal to 5000 grams. Here will be one more step like this. That 5 kg is equal to 5000 gram. how I identify this thing? Because our number is greater, and whenever in the conversion answer, number greater, unit smaller, and the smaller unit is gram. So now 20 kilo to centiliter. As 1 kiloliter is equal to 1 lakh centiliter. So 20 kiloliter is equal to 20 multiplied by 1 lakh, which is 20 lakh centiliter. We all can see that the kiloliter unit is only 20 and the centiliter unit is 20 lakh. So which number is bigger? Friends, 20 or 20 lakh? 20 lakh, of course. But the unit means kiloliter and centiliter. So the upper unit means the kiloliter is bigger and the lower unit centiliter is smaller. 34 kilometer to meter. As 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 34 kilometer is equal to 34 multiplied by 1000, which is 34,000 meter. Guys, not only the smaller unit means the bigger unit can only change to smaller. It's not like that. The smaller units can also change to the bigger units. As the example I give it, 5 gram to kilogram. Steps you can write like this also, that as 1 kg, here is written as 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, but you can write as 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So 5 gram is equal to what? 5 divided by 1000. Why? Because we are converting into a bigger unit, and a bigger unit also always consists of smaller number. And when we will get a smaller number, on multiplying or dividing? On dividing. So that's why we divide this number by how? 1000. So it will be 5 divided by 1000, which is 0.005 kg. Now let's take some another example. Now 20 centiliter to kiloliter. As 1 lakh centiliter is equal to 1 kiloliter, so 20 centiliter is equal to 20 divided by 1 lakh, which is 0.0020 kiloliter. Now 34 meter to kilometer. As 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, so 34 meter is equal to 34 divided by 1000, which is 0.034 kilometer. Friends, I think that you all understood this very well, and now you are very much clear with the conversion of units from bigger to smaller and smaller to bigger. If any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. And guys, please like, subscribe and share my video by that, so that everybody can take the conversion of units easily. And guys, if you want to take you can take the screenshot also, not if, you can take it surely. By this you can see and refer that you can do the conversion like this. Thank you for watching. Again, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon and tell to more students, more children for seeing my video and clearing their doubts.